Welcome to BVM Contracting. My name is Ryan.
And I'm Carrie.
And we're going to talk to you a little bit about our architectural services. So at BVM Contracting, we actually don't have in-house architects. What we do, and to keep costs low for our clients, we've strategically partnered ourselves with architectural firms that provide the services that you need to renovate or build the home of your dreams.
Yeah, we worked with Chris. He was awesome. It was the kind of person I like to work with from the start. Had us meet at Starbucks. I, of course, thinking I'm an architect, had my design already finished. And he tweaked it so that it actually made a lot more sense. Like the kitchen we're standing in right now was originally in the corner, and he helped me kind of come up with the idea of having the bench seating and the table tucked in the back there. So even though it may seem like you know exactly what you want, these guys are pros and they know how to tweak it to make it perfect. So
yeah. One of the cool things that we do at BVM Contracting is we don't just send you to an architect and then give you a number at the end of the whole design process. We actually work with you along the way of building the design with the architect so that we're all working together as a team and we can come up with that actual cost before the renovations start. Because a lot of the times what architects sometimes don't do is they don't tell you what the implications of all the designs you're doing or the designs that you're including into your renovation, what the cost is. And that's where we come in, because we have a very good idea of the cost of all those design implications and how that's going to affect your renovation with respect to your overall budget.
An architect, you may tell them you want open concept and they'll blow down on the walls and draw in the beams, but they're not going to tell you how much those beams cost, which from personal experience are very expensive. So it is very key to have someone who knows the cost working with someone who knows how to design it.
Yeah, and that goes back to the whole design build partnership that we have with all these architectural firms. It really gives clients peace of mind knowing that along the way they're getting a really good idea of the cost of renovations, and we can adjust accordingly when the design's actually happening so we don't go over budget.